The nervous system enables us to produce response to a change in the external environment around us. We need to detect this change in our environment. This detection is done by specialized tips of a nerve cell or neurons. The specialized tips of a neuron which detect the information are called dendrites. Dendrites are present in all our sensory organs. A simple structure of a neuron is shown in the animation. After detecting this change in the external environment, a chemical reaction is set off that generates an electrical impulse which gets transmitted through the axon all the way up to the nerve ending. At the nerve ending, the electrical impulse sets off a release of a chemical. This chemical passes through the gap or synapse and generates an electrical impulse in the dendrites of the next neuron. Thus, we can observe that at the tail of a neuron lies the head of one or more other neurons. A group of nerve cells together form a network of nervous tissue. Millions of such neurons group together and form an intricate but organized network within the organism. This network is responsible for the conduction of information from our sense organs to the brain. The brain then processes this information and sends back the response via electrical impulse to the site where the response is desired. The response site can be anything like the release of a hormone from a gland or relaxation or stretching of a muscle. This is a simple framework of how the nervous system works and makes us capable of detecting changes in our external environment and responding accordingly to them.